Hi there, I hope you're doing well. So in this video, we are going to discuss how smart text selection work and how you can use it on our extension. So first of all, if you don't have installed our AI assistant, you have to search rag here and you can install it by clicking on this extension icon. Okay, and then you can click on add Chrome. I already have installed in my browser, so I can just use it. So now let's move forward. So this is smart text selection, how it works. So if you open any page like this, you can select the text and you can click on ask, explain, summarize, translate, and whatever you want to do. You can also click on these assistants that you already created and you can use them as well. So I already have created these assistants. If I show you, you can see my assistants and I can create more assistants as well. So whatever this is, you just need to select the text and you can do anything with it. So the first use case is very simple. If you have some paragraph like this and you wanna explain this in very simple words or very simple paragraph, you can just click on explain and it will obviously explain you everything in very short and in very simple way, so you can easily understand it. There you go. Now you can see blockchain, how blockchain work, what are blocks and cryptographic hashes, content of a block, chain structure, and everything is simplified for your use cases. Okay, so this is the first use case. Now let's move for the second use case. If you want to translate this text in any other language, like if you want to translate this text in Arabic, so what we can do, translate this text into German. Okay, that's it. And now let's wait for the result. There you go, and you can see this complete text is written in German. You can just click on copy and that is it. Let me close the sidebar so you can not get distracted here. Okay, so this is the first use case. Now let's move forward with the second use case. Now let's go to the second use case. I have opened specific article on medium.com. Now I want to summarize this article because I don't have any time to read this whole article. What I can do, I can just select all text and title of this article. I can click on summarize or explain whatever you want, and now let's wait for the result and let's see how it can summarize the article. There you go. The text discusses the excitement generated by Minecraft, recent free updates, and each and everything is there. You can also go to the comments and you can just select all of the comments like this and you can click on summarize or explain. I will click on explain or summarize and let's see how it summarizes all of the comments. Okay, you can see this text strategy for prioritizing the long-term engagement and trust over short-term revenue using Minecraft as an example. I can ask anything, like I can select the text again, I can select the comments, I can ask are comments negative sentiment or positive. Let's see what it does. Now it will tell me that if comments are negative or positive. Okay, so let's wait for the result and then we can proceed to next use case. The comments in the selected text express positive sentiment. The first comment praises the idea of optimizing for long-term engagement and trust. The second comment also, Minecraft has been surprisingly proof in each and everything you can see here. So overall the comments have neutral and positive sentiment that we can easily see here. So that is the third use case. We can copy it and we can just close it by here. Now I can do more further things, like I can select the text here, okay, like this. I can click on content writer and I can click on rewrite better. Okay, and now let's wait. There you go, you can see how it is the response. Okay, and now I can close it. I can copy and I can close it from here. Now I have many other options, like I can select the blog post article, okay, like this. And what I can do there, I can click on content writer, SEO optimize, code helper, research assistant, okay, YouTube assistant, and I have Gmail professional assistant, Amazon, and each and everything I have there. So what I can do, I can just click on content writer and I can ask for a blog outline like this. There you go, you can see the complete blog post outline, like introduction, overview, appeal for free content, monetization, conclusion, and each and everything is there. It is working very well. Now what I can do there, if I have to generate some comments based on these comments data, I will just click on like this. I will ask it. Now what I'm saying, create a comment based on recent comments so I can reply on this article. Click on OK, and now let's see what it does there. So I can easily put my response here. Okay, it is fascinating to think about how Minecraft longevity and popularity stem from its ability. I can just click on copy and I can paste it here. So that is the best use case. Now let's move forward to the next use case. Okay, now I just opened my email and now I am on my thread. Okay, I want to reply to this email. What I will just do here, I will just select this text here. I will click on ask. Okay, and I will click on um, write a reply for this email. Okay, and there you go. Now it's just processing and now let's wait for it. Okay, there you go. You can see this is subject and this is a complete description and this is the best regards. Okay, even what I can do there, if I want to manually reply, I can just put something here. Okay, like this, and I can select this text. Okay, like this, and what I can do, I can click on ask and improve writing like that. And now let's wait for it. I selected this text. This is simple text and now it has improved the writing. This was the original text and this is revised text. You can see these are the key improvements that it has made. Now we can copy it and we can paste it in our email and we can send to email. So that is how we can use it with email. Okay, not only this, now I have opened another email and what I can do, I want to summarize this email so I can easily understand what was the results and how it did go. Okay, I will just select all of email content and I will click on explain or summarize, or I can ask anything. What was discussion summary? Okay, now it will tell me like what was the discussion and how it did go. Okay, let's wait for the result. And there you go, the discussion of series of email exchange between Zahra and Furqan, and this is classmates for Superior College to request and each and everything you can see there. Okay, not only this, I can click on it again, I can click on it. Okay, and I can click on explain and it can explain to me each and everything like that. There you go, you can see each and everything is showing me very well. This exchange is essentially about reconnecting and sharing contact information, especially for these two people. So this is how it working. I can click on copy and I can close it and I can use it anywhere. Now let's move forward to our next use case and then we can get this assistant on multiple other websites. Okay, now what I have did, I just created a custom assistant named as LinkedIn Post Creator, and this is a system prompt. Okay, this is a system prompt and this is sub action. There are three sub actions. The one that creates the LinkedIn post, the second one that creates the professional comment, and this is the prompt for second one, and the third one is extract key insight, and this is the prompt for third. Extract the single most valuable insight from this text that would make a great LinkedIn post hook. So I have used this detail to create assistant here. Okay, I have put each and everything like here. Okay, this is just a description. Okay, so I have each and everything there. I have system prompt, I have specific quick actions, create LinkedIn post, professional comment, extract key insight. If you want to add more, you can click on it and you can add more. And now I can click on create assistant and there you go. Now we have LinkedIn post creator. Now let's create some LinkedIn post. Okay, I will obviously open some website, like any website that you want to open. Okay, and now I will click on it and I will click on LinkedIn comment post. Okay, so I just selected the text. Okay, now I can go to LinkedIn post creator, I can click on create LinkedIn post, and now let's wait for the result. There you go. Now we have text for our complete post that is created by LinkedIn post creator. You can see here it included hashtags as well, and this is the very good written LinkedIn post. I can click on copy and that is it. Now I can click on it again. I can go to LinkedIn post creator, I can click on professional comment, it will create a comment for us. Okay, now let's wait for the result, and there you go, we have got a specific comment for our LinkedIn post that we just selected here. Now we can select the text again, and if you want to get some specific key insights, we can click on extract key insights, and this will extract all of the key insights from our from this text regarding to LinkedIn, because I already set specific prompt there. So this is hook, this is post, and this is regarding hashtags. So this is how it works. I'm sure that this is working very well, and you can click on copy it as well. Now let's move forward, and now let me do some experiments on Amazon. Now I have opened specific product on Amazon. I can select specific text like title, reviews about this item, and what I can do there, I can go to my Amazon shopping assistant, and I can click on specification extractor. It will extract all of the specification for me from this product. Let's wait for the result. And there you go. This is product name and model. This is key features. These are dimensions. These are compatibility information. These are warranty and return policy. Each and everything that is regarding to this specific product is there. I can click on copy and we can close it. Now what I can do there, I can play with some of the reviews. Okay, I am on the review section. I can just select all of the reviews here like this, and what I can do there, I can go to my Amazon shopping assistant and review analyzer, and now let's wait what it does for us. There you go. You can see overall sentiment, quality of coffee, easy of use, versatility, durability, and each and everything regarding pros and cons, and each and everything regarding this product is there. You can click on copy and you can use it anywhere you wanna add the specification about this product. Okay, so this is how this Amazon assistant works. If I show you how I created this Amazon shopping assistant, I can click on this and you can see this was the system prompt. This was the system name. This was the system prompt. You can read it. You can pause the video and you can read it. And these were the quick actions. So these are the just quick actions that are used. If you don't know how to create assistant, you can watch our previous video. That is our second video about creating assistants. Okay, and this is product comparison, and this is specification extractor. So these specific prompts of specific quick action are just combined with system prompt, and then our text is analyzed. Okay, and I updated the assistant like that. So if you want to add more quick action, you can add it, and if you want this specific assistant, you can just tell me. I will download it for you and I can send to you, because you can also export and import the assistants. Okay, now let's move back to our topic, and now I can show you some other examples. Okay, so suppose that you have multiple products here and you don't know which product will suit for you and which one you should buy. What I can do, I can just select the text and images. I can click on Amazon shopping assistant like this, and I can click on product comparison, and now what it will do, it will just tell me each and everything, like which product I should buy and what are the benefits of specific product. Okay, now let's wait for the result and I will show you the magic. You can see, so these are all of the key features that each product has. Okay, and if I click on copy it, okay, and you can even see this specific thing in Notepad. So I just pasted everything in Notepad and you can see how it is looking. Okay, so it has created specific columns, sizes, reserved sizes, special features, user rating for each product, and you can easily pick which specific product you want to buy. You can also paste this text in Excel and you can easily analyze your products. So this is how it works. And now let's move to our next feature. Now what I have done here, I have just created a new assistant with Cloud AI. Okay, so these are the details. These are system prompt. This is specific sub action. Each sub action has its own prompt, like create tweet, create thread, add engagement, and this is the use case. Okay, now what I will do here, I will just copy this system prompt and I will create my own assistant there. Okay, let's move to create assistant and I will just put it like this. I will use the selected latest model. I will use, okay, this is used to write threads. Tweets Writer Pro is the assistant name. You can set anything there. You can set any color like this. And now I can set welcome message here. Welcome to Tweets Writer. Okay, and now I can add my quick actions. Okay, now let's wait for the quick actions there. Okay, I just copy and pasted all of the sub actions, their prompts and their values, and I have used by adding here. You can add as many quick actions as you want. You can put the action name here and you can put the prompt template here. I want to delete it. So I have 3 quick actions. Now I can click on allow file uploads, and I can click on create assistant. Okay, and now my assistant is created, Tweets Writer Pro. Now let's use it. Now I am on this website. Okay, you can open any website, you can select any text, and you can click on Tweets Writer. Okay, and you can click on create tweet, and it will create the tweet for you. You can see the tweet has been created. Okay, now let's do other magic. Okay, now I again selected the text. I can click on Tweets Writer Pro. I can click on create thread. Now it will create the thread for our content, and you can post that thread on Threads website. Let's wait for the result, and I will show you the magic. There you go, your thread is ready, and you can even insert your article link here as well, and these are the hashtags as well. You can just click on copy and you can use it anywhere. Now I have explained you most of the assistants. Now the only one assistant that is remaining, that is called Gmail assistant. You have YouTube assistant as well. I have created multiple assistants. You can create any type of assistants based on your use case. Okay, now I have Gmail professional assistant. Okay, if I show you what it does, this is a system prompt. You can see it very well, and these are quick actions. It creates professional emails. It adjusts the email tone. It can create an email. It can create and analyze email threads. Okay, so you can even read the specific quick action prompt template as well. And if you want more quick action, you can just click on add, and you can add more. So I will just update it. Okay, this is already. Now I will open my email. As I have email on other account, this account, so what I will do, I will just click on download. This assistant is exported. Now I will go to my other Chrome, and I will just open this extension like this. I will go to assistants, and I will import that assistant that I just exported from other profile. So I will just click on downloads, and I will import that assistant like this, and this assistant is imported here. Now I can use it anywhere. I will open specific email. I can close the sidebar like this, and now I can do anything. First of all, I have written specific email reply. So I can select this, and I can click on Gmail professional assistant, and I can click on email tone adjuster. And now let's wait what it does for us. Okay, you can see it has adjusted the tone for the reply that I already written. Okay, and you can copy it, and you can just paste it like this. And now what I can do, I can analyze the complete thread. I can open all of the messages. Okay, and I can select all of the messages like this. I can click on Gmail professional assistant, and I can click on email thread analyzer. It will analyze the complete thread, and it will tell me all of the information that was happened in this specific thread. Okay, now let's wait for the result. There you go. This is the summary of the discussion. This is the key decisions made. These are the action items with responsible parties. These are open questions. These are recommended next steps or follow-ups. You can copy it, and you can read it whenever you want. So the third quick action that I had, I can just click on this email thread. I can click on Gmail professional assistant, and I can write a professional email so I can send to my friend or my email sender. Okay, so there you go. It has written the subject, it has written the body, it has added the past records and each and everything. I can click on copy, and I can use it everywhere, and I can click on send button. So this is how it is working. So now I hope everything is clear. I have explained you each and everything, how assistant work and how you can create the assistants easily. Okay, so if you want more tutorials, you can let me know in comments, and I will obviously explain you more things. So in this video we have discussed how smart text selection work. In the last video we have discussed how we can create the assistants. Okay, I have shown you how we have created these multiple assistants. If you don't have watched the video, you can just go on YouTube and search for the second video that I posted just before it. And the next topic would be how we can use this document intelligence function. Okay, and then we will move forward. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, you can subscribe the channel, and if you don't have installed the RAG, you can search for RAG on Chrome Web Store, and you can click on this RAG extension, and you can click on add to Chrome, and there will be go. Okay, so this is the first video in trend setting. and you can also follow the playlist. So I hope you like the video. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and then I will upload the next video for this. Thank you. Till then, bye.